Well, here I am outside trying to film some bats. As you might imagine, this is pretty difficult. There's a tiny little things and they move very fast. And it's quite difficult. This one there. It's quite difficult to actually catch them on camera. Oh, there's one. Don't know if you saw that. So it's about 8:30 at night, and the bats have just started to come out. They're hunting for insects.
Like you, Dad.
Yeah, they're probably pipistrelle bats, which are the most common bats in Britain. They only weigh 5 grams, which is the same as a 20p piece, and they're about 3.5 centimetres long in the body. They've got a 20 centimetre wingspan, and that's it. There's one there. That wasn't bad. Yeah, and as you might know, they hunt by what's called echolocation. They make a bunch of really high frequency clicks which flies out in front of their nose, and when it bounces off an insect, the sound reflects back to them, and they can use that to really accurately judge distance. There's a couple. This one just flitting around over the top of the house there. Yeah, I don't know. It's not the most action-packed video in the world.